The world will change by next week. GPT-4, which is 500 times more powerful than the current #Chatgpt, will be released next week. The current version of Chatgpt is built on GPT 3.5 with 175 billion machine learning parameters. But GPT-4 has 100 trillion ML parameters. GPT-4 will be able to process multiple types of data including videos, images, sounds, numbers, etc. By next week, you will be able to use artificial intelligence to write a movie script, use AI to generate actors for the movie, produce the movie and take it public without hiring real-life actors. By next week, you will be able to write a fully illustrated 200-page book from scratch to finish in one day. This is early-stage singularity. Humanity has stepped at the doors of the singularity.